Hey there, in this video, I'll demonstrate how to effectively remove a person from an image using Canva. Let's begin by adding the photo you want to edit to your Canva canvas. Ensure that the image containing the person you wish to remove is selected. Once the image is selected, navigate to the top left corner and click on Edit. This will allow you to access the editing tools within Canva. Now, move to the left side of the screen and locate the Magic Eraser tool. Remember, this feature is available with Canva Pro, so make sure you have the necessary subscription. Click on the Magic Eraser tool to activate it. You'll notice a brush tool appear, which you can adjust in size from the top left corner. Use this brush tool to carefully paint over the person you want to remove from the image. Click Erase. The tool will start processing the removal, which usually doesn't take too long. If the result isn't perfect on the first try, don't worry. You can go over the same area again to refine the removal further. Repeat this process as needed until you achieve the desired outcome. If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, please consider giving this video a like. Thank you for watching and happy editing in Canva.